Apple just dropped the first developer beta of iOS 26. But before you rush to install it, here's everything you need to know. iOS 26. Developer Beta 1 is now officially available for download, bringing a wave of new features and tweaks for iPhone users. As always, it's only accessible to registered Apple developers, so if you're part of that crowd, you can dive in now. To get it, head to your iPhone settings, General Software Update. Make sure your device is signed into a developer account. The update size is around 6 gigabytes, so make sure you're on Wi-Fi. But here's the important part. Apple is warning users not to install the beta on their primary device. Since this is an early build, you might face bugs, app crashes, or poor battery performance. If you're not a developer or aren't testing apps, it's better to wait for the public beta or official release. That way, you avoid any performance issues. Stay tuned as we dig into iOS 26's hidden features in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest Apple updates. Only on CreoPix.